Here's a pair of Beats Solo Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect these to a Nintendo Switch. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED, but this will work on the previous models as well. And of course, we're going to connect via Bluetooth. So very simple. So first thing, you got to go to the system settings. So you can click on the home button here, make sure on the screen here, and we want to go to settings, system settings right there. Now we're going to go to Bluetooth audio right here. But first, let me delete these Bose headphones I had on here previously. Let me just remove those. So anyway, go to Bluetooth audio, select letter A, and now it says pair device. Okay, so let's go ahead and select A. And now it's looking for Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode. Okay, so we get a little bit of time to put this in pairing mode, or we'll just have to go ahead and refresh it. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn these on. You guys know how to turn these on? All you got to do is open both of these up, and it turns on. If you close one of these, that's basically how you turn it off or put it in sleep mode. Just bend it down and the light goes off. If you want to turn them on, just pop it open like that. Anyway, let's put this in pairing mode. We'll know it's in pairing mode when it's a white blinking light. Okay, so here's that button right here. Let me press and hold here. And let's see if we can get this in a pairing mode. Hopefully it's not going to try to connect to another phone. Okay, so it's a white blinking light here. And of course, we get this message here, unable to connect because we took too long. Let's click on OK, and let's pair device again. Select the letter A, and give it a while, and let's see if it finds it. If it doesn't find it, then I'll go ahead and reset these. If you guys want to know how to reset these, look in the link below for that video. Okay, anyway, let's see. I might have to reset it. Let's see what happens here. Solo Pro, there we go. Go ahead and tap on the letter A to select it. Now it's connecting. You get this message here. Just click on OK, and you can see that check mark right there. So we are now connected. Now you can increase and decrease the volume from the right side here. Okay, so if you click on up, you can see decrease, increase volume, but of course you can also do it manually right from the switch itself. So pretty simple.